Quack, 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 quack. Hola amigos, welcome. If it's your second time, welcome back. My name is Ulysses. I'm pretty sure that you know me, or if you don't know me, I'm a professional chef with 10 years of experience, the last 5 years doing plant-based cooking, and I've been doing it ever since. So today's video, we're gonna make green lentil. I hope you enjoy this recipe as me. You're gonna love it for sure. And also, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Let's do it. Let's do it. Also, during this time, I'm gonna tell you about the ingredients and the measurements. Please don't skip the video, and I hope you stay until the end. Let's do it. Let's do it. So amigos, first, I'm gonna clean my onion and also I'm gonna chop it. So amigos, I'm gonna use half onion. Yes, just half onion. No more. No more. And also I'm gonna chop it. So amigos, I'm gonna chop my celery, right? And right here I have 3. This counts like by 1. So I have 3 pieces and 2 small. Those are not really small, and those are not like very long. I mean, those are like medium size. So 2 carrots and 3, 4, I don't know, 3 pieces. Okay, sounds good. So I'm gonna chop it and also try to cut or chop them at the same size, please. That helps them to cook evenly. Yes, evenly. Oh, this piece is too small. This piece is too small. You know, it shouldn't be perfect, amigos. Just try to cut it. I mean, right now, just I'm cutting on half. After that, cutting on half, quarter. You know, just try to cut as the same size. Órale. Half, quarters, and chop them. So amigos, just one tip: if you're going to chop your carrots and your celery, try to cut it on the same size. I mean, we're gonna chop it right now because we're going to cook evenly. Yes, we're gonna cook them evenly. All right. If you already noticed, I'm leave the skin on, but because I love it, I already washed them. Those are organic. It's not a big deal. Some like the skin, some don't support the skin, so it's up to you, peel it or not. Yes, you can peel it or not. Basically, that's it. It's easy. Just chop your carrots, your celery, your onion. And be careful, don't cry, please. That's me. So amigos, basically I have everything right here for my lentil soup. So amigos, 1 pot, medium high heat. Let's wait. While we're waiting, let's add a little bit of olive oil. 1 table, something between 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Oh my god, that's it. That's it. Da da dee, da da da. Okay, it's good. So amigos, while you're waiting this hot, so you can clean your garlic. Right now I'm gonna use 2 garlic cloves. I mean, just one that is huge and big, that counts by 2. And so right now, I'm pretty sure that it's hot. I can feel it. Did you hear that? So add your onions and cook them until those are translucent. Oh my god. Oh no, Ulysses. There is the skin. Nothing could go wrong with us. Nothing could go wrong with us. Let's see how's going. Everything look this color of the onion. Looks good. Yes, I'm gonna cook it a little bit more. It's gonna take you something between 3 to 5 minutes. Just be careful, don't burn them. So I'm pretty sure that their color is right there. So right now it's time to add your celery and your carrots. Yes. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. Okay, right now is the perfect time. Okay, everything. Also, amigos, then cook them something between 3 to 4 more minutes. So while you're cooking this, you can wash and drain your lentils. Yes, amigos. Let's see if I've done everything. Okay, amigos, watch this color. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. Right here. Amigos, so once you're so they are a little tender, add your garlic. So 2 garlic cloves. Look how looks everything. So amigos, once you see your veggies are tender, it's time to add your your tomato paste and the seasoning. Something between 1 to 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Yes, tomato paste. 1 to 2 tablespoons. Just mix very well. And also be careful, look at this on the bottom. It's not burned, but just be careful and move it, everything. Just mix all together. So amigos, once you already mix your tomato paste with your veggies, it's time to add the seasoning. Yep, the seasoning. Da-da-dee-da-da-da. 1 teaspoon of cayenne or paprika. Yes. Also 1 teaspoon of cumin. Okay, just 1 teaspoon. And half teaspoon of oregano. Just half teaspoon, just a little bit. Mix well all together. Added a little bit of salt, black pepper, adjust your seasoning. And just be careful, don't burn it. A little bit of black pepper and salt. Just mix well everything. Oh my god, just be careful, don't burn it. So once you add your seasoning, I'm gonna add 1 can of diced tomatoes. How much of this can? Yes, 14 ounces. 14 ounces of diced tomato. Amigos, 2 cups of vegetables, bro. Yeah, something like 2 cups. Something like that. And also 2 cups of filtered water. Would you like to see how it looks everything? Look at this beauty. Just stir it well and add your lentils. Alright, here my lentils. And I'm going to add my lentils. So amigos, just stir it well and let it boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat and simmer something between 25 to 35 minutes. Just keep your eyes on or until your lentils are tender. So amigos, once it's boiling, just let it simmer for 25 to 35 minutes basically. Or until the lentils are tender. Everything looks good. So amigos, after 25 minutes, look at this, it's ready. Finally, right? So also right now I'm gonna add a little bit of kale. I already, right now I already washed it. Just a little bit, just removing the stems. And that's it. I'm pretty sure you can chop it also. Also, if you don't have kale, you can add it other. Spinach goes well with that. Right there. Lemon juice, something. I'm gonna mix it very well. Just let it boil it like a couple more minutes. And also, this is good if you think there is no water, just you can add it a little bit more of water. And also, all is optional, you can add it more vegetables. In my case, I'm gonna add it a little bit more of water. So amigos, if you think it's a little bit spicy, just add it a little bit of water. It's a good way to reduce the spicy. Everything looks good right here. And right now it's time to serve it. It's time to serve it. Look at this beauty, amigos. Looks delicioso. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Amigos, finally I'm done with this lentil soup. I hope you get this idea, and the recipe is gonna be over there, and hopefully you enjoy as me this video and the recipe. So right now I'm chopping a little bit of parsley. So amigos, hopefully you enjoyed this video and the recipe, and I catch you. Quack, 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 quack. Wow, I really like it.